that the speech of the Honorable Liviste be stricken out of the records because it's not a matter of personal and collective privilege. May I appeal to the Honorable Terry Ridon that his motion be instead amended to a motion to delete the statements made by the Honorable Liviste attributing to statements not being backed up by evidence. Specifically, the statements alleging that the campaign of Governor Recto
Mr. Speaker.
and other members of
Mr.
the
Speaker.
party were financed by another party list congressman, and all other allegations that cannot be backed up by documents and evidence.
Mr. Speaker.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There was
object.
a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears none.
I object. I object.
Speaker. Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of
those
my
in
district for
favor
Vilma
of
and
the
Lucky.
motion of the
Objection,
Honorable
Mr.
Garin, please say
Politicians,
aye.
Batangas can test.
Aye!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried. Honorable Majority Leader.
May I proceed with my interpellation, Mr. Speaker?
Objection, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader.
Privilege speech po yan. Bakit kailangan i-attach yung ebidensya agad? Seryoso.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, session suspended.
Session suspended.